Hello everybody, Ferdar here with another video, and today I am going to show you how to animate in 2D in Blender 2.8 beta. Well, the bleeding edge. No, that's what it's called. I'm not swearing. Okay, I'm not swearing. It's actually called bleeding edge. Okay, just don't take it wrongly. Okay, it's called that. Okay, just deal with it. Okay, so enough of that. I just discovered today that Blender can animate in 2D. So I'll go show you. So first of all, let's go and press Shift A and grease pencil, blank. We're gonna go into object mode, switch from object mode into draw. And I'm going to select the pen. And I'm gonna put automatic keyframe insertion. Very fancy name. And I'll do something simple. I'm gonna draw a ball. Now I'm gonna go ahead a frame. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead a frame, and yeah, I'm also gonna turn on onion skinning. Onion skinning is so you could see the last keyframe, like faintly. It helps. Going to erase this now, and you can see it, but it actually isn't still there. So I'm going to draw another one. This one is going down. Going to do the same thing, and you just repeat. It's kind of what 2D animation is about anyway. Just repeat. Okay. Kind of tedious, but it's worth it in the end. Now we're just going to erase. Also, I think that I wonder if there's a. I think that in my opinion, I think that Blender is going to be the next Flash. Well, leader of 2D animation. That hopefully it's accepted more. Right now, it isn't very. I mean, Pixar's aware of its existence, which is good. There, we're almost finished. There. Now this animation can be improved definitely by adding squash and stretch, but I'm in quite in a there's only so much time in this world we have. Anyway, using Bandicam. Really sorry about that. I think you can tell by this large watermark. Okay, so now 2D animations are usually it's good for them. You'll get decent results if it's 12 frames per second, which is basically drawing 12 frames for every second. See? And now you have, and if you followed my steps, you now have a ball that goes down, which is really good. Everybody likes a ball going down, especially if you made it yourself. And you're still able to interact with it. So basically, this you can move over here and still goes down. You can move you can move anywhere. I'm just gonna turn this on off. You can move this anywhere. Now this is the beauty with Blender 2.8 is that now you don't have to select all the frames. It's just its own object. You can also rotate it and scale it, and it's in 3D, which is even better. So now I'm going to get a bit more fancy, and also there's grease pencil modifiers. So now you could add an armature to it. Now you can make bounds for it. That's really good. So like if you're making your character like if you want it to be a person. Well, yeah. Also we have effects like blur. And we also have colorize. Don't know how that works yet. We have flip, light. Don't know. Still not. Wait. Just gonna try something. I'm going to add a light. This just might work. Not saying that it will. It doesn't, but worth a try. Try it would interact with the light, but I'm probably doing it wrong. And there's swirl. There's wave distortion. Whoa! You can now distort it. That's very nice. So now I'm going to add something else. I'm going to add impact. Why am I laughing? I'm just going to give it to frame 30. Shift A, grease pencil, blank. Surface. Draw. There. Next. Going to the next frame. Erase it out. Oh, yeah, also turn onion skinning on. Okay, gonna have to do this very quick. I only have 2 minutes left, so I can put it together in Bandicoot. I also use that. Don't shame me. And I'm quite experienced at drawing smoke. You know, live in a developed nation, so it's quite a common sight. You know what I'm talking. You know what I mean. I think. Okay. This is probably going to be the longest video I've done. And guess what? I'm doing it for a reason. Talking. Yeah, unlike Kolobi Productions, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, he only does he stretches out his videos as long as possible. Unlike me. Like, I actually get worried when that happens. When I get over 10. So, okay. I am now starting. Okay. I will be back in a few seconds. And I am back. Is that just magic? Now I have a longer video. See that? Just cheated the Bandicam system with its own product. And now I'm going to do a very unnatural fade out. Damn. Okay, so really sorry. Turn them into little puffs. We're almost done this. Now just one more frame. Aren't you proud of yourself? Don't know if you're actually following my tutorial. Don't mind. Wasn't that what tutorials are about? Nah. Okay, and now you have. Oh yeah, those are fun. And now for the next one. Oh, it automatically does keyframes. Wow, this is really good. Oh my god. Oh, Adobe, watch out, Adobe. We've now done the last one. And there it is. We have now done a OK 2D animation in a 3D in a 3D program, but now it's kind of emphasizing on the 2D. See, this looks so nice. But ignore those spots. Okay, everybody makes those mistakes, I think. Well, this is just amazing. And best thing, and guess what? It's its own object. So I can move that up. Oh, sorry about that. And so now we're. This is just beautiful. Just admire this. There, now I'm the next. Now you are the next Pixar. So now we are gonna try. Now we've done that. I am going to add a new one and grease pencil blank. Now this is going to test out something. I'm wondering how I'm going to do this. I'm going to draw a head. Don't know if you can tell that. It's a head. So deform, armature, single bone. We now have an armature. It's here, so boom. gonna go into pose mode. No, that doesn't work. How about I select it and then this Control P, automatic weights. Ew. Well, that's failed. Well, that has failed, but definitely works, which is good. So now Blender 2D animation is a thing, which is good. And guess what? It's vector. Isn't that even better? Better look out, Adobe. Okay, so thank you for looking at this slightly longer video, and goodbye, and hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Are you gone yet?